हेलो गाइस, नमस्कार, सत श्री अकाल, सलाम अलैकुम, কেমন আছেন? So I am Abhinav Dan. I am an advocate of the Honorable Calcutta High Court and I am an enrolled advocate of the Bar Council of India as well. So I welcome you to the opening video of our new YouTube channel, that is Dayan Thakkar Law Network. So please subscribe the channel and press the bell icon, and if you are in Facebook, the link has been given in the description box below. Go and like the page and keep supporting us and keep motivating us for making more videos on the legal topics. So get ready to get all the legal updates, the knowledge, information and amendments relating to law. We will be posting videos on each and every topic, and we will be making videos which will be very much helpful for your day-to-day lives for gaining some knowledge. Now the thing is that you must be thinking, why I'm wearing this mask at home. I am wearing this mask just to give you guys a message, so that whenever you are going out for some necessary work or something, you do remember to wear the mask, because this is the only way we can prevent ourselves from getting affected from COVID-19. So I'm at home right now, I'm opening this. I hope you guys are safe. So stay home, stay safe and save India. And with me there is also a friend of mine who is Karan Thakkar. He is an advocate of the Mednipur District and Judges Court. We both have taken the initiative to open this channel for sharing our knowledge, for sharing our experience with you guys. And so he will be posting his videos very soon. And now I am coming to what contents we are going to give to this channel. The first and foremost content, or the preference, priority, whichever you may call, would be for legal education, legal knowledge, legal information, legal updates and legal amendments made to the Indian laws recently. So this will be the priority, and we'll be dealing with different sections. We'll be dealing with different laws, civil laws, criminal laws, and as well as the constitution. We will be dealing with all those. And number two, we will be dealing with the practical implementations of law in the courts. I mean, how does the courts function? I mean, how does the procedure of the court, what is the procedure of the court to file petitions? What are the matters you have to file it in the lower courts? How many types of courts are there? Which are the matters you can file directly in the Supreme Court or in the High Courts? So we will be discussing about all those things regularly. We will be posting videos. So I assure you, it may be the new lawcomers, I think, who are thinking of coming into law after HS, or the law students who are pursuing LLB course, or the common people who are the part of the democracy, and it's very essential to know the laws of the land as you are the part of the democracy. So it is going to be very beneficial for all these people. So now it's very good that universities, colleges, they are teaching us theory, they are giving us the textbook knowledges. It's very good, but this practical field of law is very different from the theoretical part. You have to know the theory to implement it practically. But if you are thinking of pursuing, or if you are thinking of practicing law as an advocate, you have to have the practical knowledge very much. So we will be giving you, as per our experience, as per our knowledge, we will be trying to share such knowledge and experience with you, so that it's beneficial for you. So now the third content would be, it's legal advice. It's for legal advice. Any people watching our channel or the Facebook page, if you guys have any sort of dispute which is legal in which is civil, which is of criminal in nature, it may be anything, or you have any confusion, or if you have any problem, feel free to DM me in the Instagram. That link has been given in the description box below. Feel free to ask me in WhatsApp, the number has been given below, and the Facebook page, you can message us, so that we can deal with your problems and solve them. And I will try my level best to solve your problems and make you satisfied. So this was our third content. And now number fourth, we will be discussing the legal opportunities. What are the opportunities in this field of law? So many of people thinks that in after pursuing law or after coming to law there are only three four opportunities. No, there are many more opportunities. They think that only if they practice law as an advocate. Number two, uh, to get into judiciary and become a judge. Number three, to get to study masters and after that teach in any law colleges, any universities. No, the sphere of law or the opportunity of law is nowadays very large. The banking sector takes lawyers, the government jobs, the schools, colleges, any company, corporate firm, corporate companies, they hire lawyers. So the sphere of the law or the opportunity nowadays has increased a lot. And now I'm the fifth content would be we will be discussing some social causes relating to politics, relating to the parliament, relating to the because law is directly or indirectly, I think, connected with the politics, connected with the society. So we will be discussing some social causes, that what are the drawbacks, what are the disadvantages, what are the advantages, like Article 370. It has been amended very recently. So we will be talking about what are the disadvantages, advantages of these amendments, of this political implementation. We will be discussing about that. Triple talaq. So we will be making videos and discussing separately. Now, sixthly, we will be dealing with, I think this is a very minor or a very important issue. We don't give much preference or give much priority to this thing, because I think after studying law, if you want to practice law as an advocate, so in the very initial stage it's very difficult, it's very struggling. The seniors under which you practice, they don't get much time, they don't give you much time, they don't give you much attention. So you guys feel left out, and you guys feel discouraged, demotivated. So I, through this channel, through this Facebook page, I will try to motivate you guys, I will try to encourage you guys, and I will be giving some tips and suggestions which we also have faced in our very initial stage of practice. We will be giving such tips and suggestions so that you feel encouraged, you feel motivated to come into this profession and practice law as an advocate. So this all will be our content. So we will be posting videos very soon, and I urge you, or I request you to spend 10 to 15 minutes each and every day watching this channel. I assure you that it would be very, 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 very beneficial for you in the future of life, or in your future work sphere, because law is everywhere. You will find law everywhere, wherever you go to work, wherever you whatever profession you choose, you have to know the basics of the law. You have to have the knowledge of the law, because law is everywhere, law is useful everywhere. So this was our content, and if you have any confusion, if you have any doubts, if you have any sort of questions, so ask me. Feel free to ask me in the Instagram, the link has been given. Comment in the comment box below, and you can also WhatsApp me, the number will be also be given. So if you have any sort of questions, you have any sort of doubts, so clear that. I will try my level best as per my experience and knowledge to clear all your doubts. And the last and the thing I am going to share with you guys is that if I get a good response in this channel, if I get good motivation from this channel, then I will be holding question answer sessions each and every month through whether by Facebook Live or YouTube. I will be holding live question answer sessions, and there it's not actually possible to cover each and every sphere of law or to make videos in each and every topic, because the sphere of law is very large. So I will be holding question answer sessions, and there you will be getting to ask us live questions, and we will be giving you answers. So that's all for today. and I think we have made the video I made the video very large. So that's all for today. Stay tuned. Stay tuned for getting all the legal updates. We'll be posting videos very soon, and I hope you will enjoy. You will know something. You will gain some knowledge through this channel. And तब तक के लिए शुभ रात्रि, शुभ रात्रि, शुभ रात्रि. Thank you, and that's all for today.